So hi, someone had asked for content writing tips for beginners in the comments of my previous video, so here goes. So when I started out content writing, the first thing I did was to take courses. So there are free courses available in places like Udemy and Coursera and edX, and if you just Google free content writing courses, you will find different sites that offer free material if you're looking for free material. And the second thing to do would be to read content pieces in the niche you plan to uh, write content. So what you have to do is to read as much as possible, read online, read books, non-fiction, fiction, whatever that comes to you, just read and try to get an understand of different writing styles, and then to the next step, the third step, that is to write. So you can experiment writing on your own, maybe take a pen and paper and write, maybe have a Word document on Google Docs and write. You don't need to show it to anyone if you don't want to, but practice writing. The best thing to do is to practice. And if you are starting out, you might want to consider outlining your points, like your title, and then the points that you are planning to discuss about in your piece of content, like a blog article. So try to organize your ideas before you start writing your draft. And the next tip I can give is to edit and revise. I hate doing this. I really don't like editing and revising, but recently I begin to understand the grave importance of editing and proofreading your things, your work. So these are some of the tips that I can recommend. So I hope you got an idea about content writing. Thank you. Bye.